Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to explain how you can use artificial intelligence, in that case ChatGPT, in order to help you to build your website. Okay, so we're gonna have a website built with WordPress and Elementor Pro, and using ChatGPT you can improve and help a lot in order to create the content, the structure, and even some pictures, and let's gonna do that together. Okay, so as you can see, first thing that I have open here is ChatGPT. Okay, it's just simple as going chatgpt.com, and then we can start creating the prompts. I'm just gonna show you the website. The website is under construction. My friend wants to do coffee roasters, so coffee beans. We're gonna start doing the homepage, we're gonna put the shop, and we're gonna put content in there through artificial intelligence with ChatGPT. Okay, so I already asked if he wants to add a little bit of branding. He said yeah, he don't mind. So we're gonna put a little bit of branding as well, as I think that color is a little bit old. So I'm just gonna get ChatGPT to do that, right? So the first thing what we can probably do is ask for the menu. Okay, so what menu we want. So I'm gonna say create a menu for this website. Okay, and I'm gonna put it and make it simple, because we don't want to make that as a lot of menu. We're gonna make that simple. As you can see here is simplified menu structure for you. Free is missing the E here. State coffee website. As you can see here, it builds the structure, so it's very simple now to go. We have the home, we have the shop, we have about us, we have the blog, contact, and account. Beautiful. Okay, I'm also going to ask for the footer. Okay, for a footer menu as well, include. So we're gonna ask for the footer menu. As you can see here is a customer service, company, legal, connect, and accounts. Okay, so what first thing that we need to do now is go into your website or go to the site, and I'm gonna put that menu in here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go here to the dashboard, and you can create that menu. I'm gonna show you a quick shortcut. Instead to go and now go through the page, you can go here and say customize. Okay, and in customize it will take you to the theme. Okay, so here in the theme, that's the theme. Okay, we already installed or was installed here Hello Elementor. But the good thing is what we can do if you go to the menu in here on the left. Okay, you go to menu, and then what we're going to do is add items. Items, it could be a page, it could be a post, but what I want to do right now is create a new page. Okay, so we got subscription, we got contact us. I'm just gonna use this contact us, which is I think is good. The home page, I'm gonna take the home page as it is there. Subscription, we can put the subscription, that can go, already was there. So we are gonna include the shop, as you see here. Okay, so home, shop, about us, blog, and contact. Okay, so we can go home, shop. Let's see if it's a blog in there. There's no blog, so I'm just gonna create a blog page. Okay, we got the blog page. We have the about us and contact already having here, and the accounts. If we have an account, we're gonna put here my account, and I'm gonna make it here, and probably you can change that to account. Okay, and blog, subscription, and I think it was one more is about us, which is already here. Okay, beautiful. As you can see, now we have the menu at the top: home, shop, about us, blog, contact, and account. So I'm just gonna make that the order as you say, to follow the same thing. Home, shop, about us, subscriptions. If we have any subscriptions, maybe that it will be for another part of the process, but I'm just going to remove that. Blog, accounts, and contact us. Okay, so I'm just going to publish this for now. Okay, and then we will have this menu as it is here. Okay, so I'm just gonna ask if they can improve my branding. Okay, so the colors, can we have a branding, palette color maybe with hexadecimal, right? Because we probably need that code. Okay, and then we'll probably boom, it creates us straight away, as you can see here, primary colors as a dark roast brown, coffee bean, secondary color, cream, espresso, accent colors. It's very simple with that, right? You can go straight to the point and add these colors into your Elementor, which is I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so you go back to the website. Now in here, what we're going to do is as now we have the menu. So I just want to go back and show the menu. Okay, I'm just going to go here. That will be the menu, home, shop, about us, blog, accounts, and contact us. I'm going to start using or building the brand. Okay, so first thing, edit with Elementor. And here with Elementor, we are going to go through the, in here on the left, we're going to the site settings, okay? And then we're gonna go through global colors, and then we're gonna copy those colors that ChatGPT gave us, right? In order to match this branding, palette branding, okay? If I'm going too quick, don't worry, you can just go back and have a look, but it's pretty simple. It's just going here and copy all of these things that I'm going to do right now. So dark rose color, you can go here right now, custom colors. I'm gonna add a custom color, right? And I'm gonna go and go back here, and then you go to this side, copy this hexadecimal color, and then as you can see here, we also have the name, so it will be easy just to copy, and then we're going so on and so on. So I'm just gonna do few of them, okay? As you can see here, it's just going copy and paste, okay? And at least we're gonna have the branding, as you can see here, it's just going and add these colors. I think that color, the second one, the cream, it will be nice. I'm just gonna try to see which color it is. So you see, it's nice. So that color is more, I think, according to what this website could be in terms of selling that branding, okay? Look, I mean, he was telling me that he don't care about branding. I mean, the color, he was saying like, okay, that could be an option to do use coffee. So this is what we're going to do, okay? Maybe he after that can change a little bit, but I'm happy to change that, so no problem. And espresso is a little bit darker, and okay, so you can also a deep green. So let's gonna use this deep green for maybe some accents or something like that, okay, which is pretty good as well. I'm just gonna put the name in there. As you can see, what I'm doing is just follow what ChatGPT or the artificial intelligence tells you to, or tell me, or ask me, or yeah, suggest in that case, right? To use for that branding, okay? So doing that, what I'm doing right now, as you can see, I create these custom colors in Elementor, okay? So it's simple as to go site settings, global colors, and then custom colors, and that's it. So what I'm going to do right now, save, and that's it, okay? One another thing that I did is I create a logo for him, because that logo, he wasn't happy with the logo. So what I'm going to do is I change the logo, and now since I'm here in settings, I'm just gonna go again to site settings, okay? And I'm gonna apply the site identity, okay? And I'm gonna apply that new logo, okay? The new logo is called Foggy State Coffee. We're gonna use that, okay? And as a favicon, which is a small icon that we have here at the top, okay? I'm gonna put that one in here, all right? So that it will be, you know, a little bit, no better, different, maybe because he's okay with that. So we're gonna use that. Right, so first thing is done. Now what I'm going to do is apply these colors that, you know, ChatGPT suggests to change probably the header and also the footer, okay? So how I'm gonna do that right now, you can just go here. As you can see here, we already have the header set up. So I'm just gonna select the header, and I'm going to here already pick the new logo, which is pretty good. And I'm going to change that to use, for instance, these colors, right? You can use that brown color, which is pretty good. I think that is too big, so we can reduce that to don't lose the, okay, that's nice. So, and then here, okay, what I'm doing is I'm going to reduce the width of that container in here, okay? So I'm just going to make it a little bit like probably 25. And now I can make the picture bigger, okay? So now it makes more sense. Even if you remove that, it will be okay. And also what I'm going to do is change that menu. As you can see here right now, that, I don't know, pink color doesn't match. So I'm just gonna use this cream, that it will be a little bit better, okay? So now this header is fine, and now I'm gonna do the footer, but after that I'm gonna go straight away to what is the homepage looks like. And how I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT if they can give me the structure, right, and the layout and the information, even the copyright for that for that homepage. Okay, so let's do that. I'm just gonna finish quickly here for to explain that. So don't forget to always update, because if you don't update those changes, it will be removed. I'm gonna make sure that that website is linked to the site, as you can see here, link URL, site URL. Okay. And now I'm gonna go here down below, and what is that? That it will be the footer. Okay, so here in the footer he used 3 buttons, which is not bad. I'm just gonna keep them for now, and then I'm gonna go here to coffee, and I'm gonna go here to that also footer as well. I was in the page, sorry, I was in the page. Now it's here, that's the footer. And I'm gonna include, I think, the logo, because it's also good that the logo is there. So I'll probably use the image, and I'm gonna drag this here, and I'm gonna put that in there, and I'm gonna use the logo, okay? So in this case, what I'm going to use is probably, I think this the dark one. It was nicer, so I think the dark rose brown is also cool in here, and I use this one, style, text color. I'm gonna go to the cream as well, and now I think it's beautiful. Cool, so that's it. That is a little bit big, so I'm gonna reduce the size to maybe 30 or 40%, okay? And what is that? That is the, all right, okay, so well, we can probably go to 24, okay, so, and then design by, that's it. All right, it's perfect. And then here, just make sure that that is cream as well, and we will include the social media, but the social media, the color must be cream as well, okay? And probably we don't gonna use the Google and Pinterest, maybe it's fine, and also include one which is Instagram, that it will be a good social media to share all the content, okay? Cool, so maybe Pinterest, it will be the last one. We just need to request these these URLs in order to create that, okay? So I'm just gonna keep going with ChatGPT and see now, as I already have this page, I can just go to the page, and I'm gonna start building the home page, okay? I'm gonna keep that for now, because probably it's okay. As you can see here, the home, what is that? So you can change that if you go here in settings, okay? The page layout, again, sorry, page layout, instead to use the default, maybe it's taking something from the current theme, we're gonna use Elementor full width. That it will avoid any theme feature. It will go straight to what is, as you can see here, what is the home page is gone. So we just use the full width Elementor, and then we're gonna go from there, okay? So I'm just gonna save and go back to ChatGPT. So here in ChatGPT, what I'm going to ask is ChatGPT, create the home page structure and also the copy, okay? Copywriting. So we're gonna use that ChatGPT to start creating, as you can see, home page structure. And as you can see right now, it goes to, okay, so the home page, it will be a hero section where we're gonna have a full visual, full width background image of coffee beans or a steaming cup of coffee, heading a Wagyu sense with Fuji state, here is missing the E, but Fuji state coffee, okay. So I'm gonna follow that, but as you can see, how easy right now is to create homepage or a website, okay, with ChatGPT and content, right? So I'm just gonna follow this again, right? Future products, this is what I'm going to do. I already have a few products in there. And about us section, subscription offer, sustainability committed, and then wow, this is a lot better. So customer testimonials and blog preview, okay, newsletter sign up and a footer. So that is huge. I mean, that's pretty good. I don't need to even to think what I need to do. I just gonna go and follow everything in here, okay? As you can see here, the copywriting is already as well here. I put, okay, what is going to be on this hero section. As you can see here, awaken your sense with Fuji state. So everything is here, is going to be there. I just need to obviously customize myself and then go in and put some human touch. But pretty much is what I'm going to do is follow this structure. So let's do it. First thing is the hero image. So I'm just gonna go here, and first thing that probably need to do is create that hero. So you go there, create the new container, okay, and it's gonna be a flex box. I'm gonna use only probably 2, all right? So I'm just gonna make it 2. I think here, as you can see in the header, we have gap or padding that I'm going to remove in a bit, and let's gonna create this hero page, okay? So hero image background, as you can see here, say, okay, what I'm going to do that. I'm going a little bit fast, so I wanted to go and explain better. So you go here, right click, edit container. You will go here on the left, and then you will see edit container style, and then on the background, you can add a background type, okay? So here in classic, what we're going to do is add this picture, okay? As you can see, I already have few of them. If you don't have if you don't have pictures, what you can do is, for instance, go, this page is called free pick, right? And is a lot of pictures, is a bank of image, right? So I'm just gonna go and see what I'm looking is coffee beans, okay? And then probably I'm gonna have few of them, but it will be good if I put roster. So as you can see here, I already have an account, so I can download them and use them. I'd prefer to don't use AI pictures. It must be premium if I could, and no AI. But as you can see here, right, so I'm just going to use that one, for instance, and you know, a few of them, maybe we can use that one. And also, let's see if I can exclude. We don't use all the time AI, so I mean, it's fine, but it will be also good to don't use them, just to really bit real things. Okay, I like that one. Which one do we have? Maybe a backs as well, you know. Yeah, so that's it. Maybe we can use that one too. That one is nice. And I don't know, pick few of them, whatever you like. Okay, I'm doing that, but it's an example. It's just to you explain how you can do that for your website or for your business, right? Which is it's simple, all right? I mean, if you follow these steps, you will be able to do it. And now he said coffee beans and standing up. I'll put a cup as well. Don't worry, ChatGPT, wherever you want, whatever I give you. If we're gonna cap in here, I'll put a cap as well. That it will be nice. Yeah, so we have few of them, all right? So what we need to do, if I'm gonna go here to my coffee beans, to my, and that's it. So I put these photos, okay, these backgrounds, which is, no, I don't want to leave that side. And I'm gonna use these photos, okay, or this image. And I'm gonna show you, as you can see here, I put one which is static, but I can probably put that dynamic with another function. I'm gonna show you that in a bit, right? Which is that is nicer, okay. And then how I'm going to do that. So first thing, going here, I want to create the layout, and I'm going to make this minimum height to maybe around 600 or 650. Okay, nice. And then now what I'm going to do next is, as you can see, I said before, this style, it could be a slide house. So as you can see here, slides house, I'm gonna put few photos in there, and I'm gonna make sure that is aligned. All right, so I'm just gonna pick that ones, and probably that one here with the cap as well. Okay, 3 pictures that is gonna be rotated in there. I'm gonna put that as a cover, and also it's gonna be in the center. Okay, as you can see now, this effect is going to see here that is, you know, kind of this slide, which is cool. And if it's too bright, what you can do, background overlay, and then put some color in there to make that a little bit dark, not too much, just to, you know, just to see the contrast. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the title here. I'm going to go through the text as well, and I'm also put a button. I don't do that because I want. I do that because I follow ChatGPT. So here say, okay, so not the heading, it will be that. Okay, by the way, he made a mistake because he put without, as you can see, just that's it. So I'm just creating this heading. This typography is not the best. So you know what I'm going to do is also ask ChatGPT, please suggest, a typography. Okay, typography. I think it's like that. Typography. Okay, and then see. There you go. We have also a typography for that. Headings, it could be play first display, which is, I'm going to use it because I know that typography or that font. I'm going here, site settings. Okay, and I'm going to go through typographies. Okay, and here in typographies, I'm going to define the header. As you can see here, header 1. The family is going to be the play for display. Let me see what it say. Okay, body text. All right, body text is Laura, and then Montserrat is the buttons and the captions. That's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna follow whatever this guy. That's good. Even it tells you the color as well. Look at this. It's crazy. It will tell you the headlines and the title. So you go here, font, display, style is bold. 36 to 48 for main headlines, and to 24 to 30 pixels for the headline heading. Sorry, and color dark roast brown. Okay, that's good. Now let's gonna apply that. So I'm just going to do here whatever this ChatGPT is telling me to do. So in here, bank, and then I'm gonna do heading 4. So what I'm doing is adding all of that, and yep. So in here as well, play for this, sorry. And then I'm going to use because I don't want to take so much time, because obviously it's that. So dark, you're gonna use the dark, sorry. I'm just going to use the dark as the suggestion here. Some of them, you can follow the suggestions, but if you don't like, you can obviously, of course, you can follow whatever this artificial intelligence is telling you. It's just a reference, right? But it will be good to, that one, for instance, right now, that I can change that, because as you can see, it's not visually affecting what it is in here, but I'm going to change that in a bit, so don't worry. That's it, and I'm going to do that. What else it was saying here? Dark place display, and then that will be for the Laura, it will be body text. So I'm just going to go here and use Laura. Okay, Laura. We have Laura, yes, we do. And then what color they want me to put? A regular and espresso. Okay, espresso. After this, I'm going to have a coffee, because it feels like a coffee right now. So update, and that's it. Okay, cool. So we are going on the that. Now what we need to do is adjust that. So I'll do that in a bit. Let me see what it say. Also the buttons, Montserrat. So I was there. What I'm going to do, quickly going back and do the buttons as well, because buttons was here, buttons, and then go in there, use the family, and then put Montserrat. Okay, and what color they want? Okay, cream and a deep green. All right, the background, it will be the deep green, so that's fine. So let's gonna do deep green. Okay, and whatever it is inside, we're gonna put cream. Beautiful. And that is is Montserrat, is sunset. That's beautiful. That's it. Look, it's great. What bold? So if they want me to go bold, I put bold as well. So make it bold, and that's it. Bang, done. Sometimes don't forget, I'm gonna show you, this is important, right? Because sometimes when you do all these edits, okay, don't forget to I'm gonna show you quickly. Go in here, which is this dashboard, okay, because this is important. It happens to me sometimes. Okay, you need to go through tools. Okay, and here in tools, you need to go through this general and then say regenerate CSS and synchronize library, because sometimes all these changes that you do as you change colors and things like that is not applying, and then you can probably say, oh wow, it's not working. Yeah, it is working, but the thing is you need to do that kind of update. Okay, so you're going back to visit the site, and then now I'm going back. I forgot to, you see, that's another problem. Don't forget to update, because otherwise you're gonna miss. Oh no, it's here, this is fine, but it wasn't reflected that in the home page. So I just need to reflect that, update, and then see if that display. And let me see, it displays. Okay, that's cool. Right now, so what we're going to do is going and then follow a little bit of style. So here I make that justify content, the items, it will be in the center. I want to make that a little bit different, so I'm just going to put the cream to make that different. I will make that big. Okay, I will put the content here in a bit. I don't know what it was saying in there, but maybe we can use white. And that's it. If it's still that, so I'm just going to update, going back to the header, and I'm going to leave that hero a little bit down, right? So here, and then style, and then probably is an advanced. They have, as you can see here, right? And then in the button, all right? So as you can see, the margins now is better. That's it. Cool. So I think it's looking good. We just need to see what it was saying on this, going up to see what it was saying on the hero. It was saying shop now, so I'm just gonna put shop now as whatever it is saying here, shop now, and okay, edit page, and keep going. Okay, so here shop now, that it will be probably going to the shop, but at least the home page we're gonna leave it in this video completed to explain how that works. Okay, update. Please, if I'll go too quick, stop the video, go back, let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll continue with this. All right, so keep going. What we're going to do now is going to the featured products. So we already created the hero, so the hero is pretty much done. I'm just gonna copy this as well. If you think like, oh, you can add more, obviously what I'm going to do once it's done, going back to my colleague and then say, hey, I'll probably need some information about your business, giving me the information, right? Because we don't want just to put everything it's ChatGPT or the artificial intelligence is telling you. It's more like, okay, more that personalized about this business, okay? So update, and I'm gonna do the second one, which is the second section. They say featured products. So this is exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm gonna update. I'm gonna go here and add a new flex box, okay, which is a flex box. And then here I'm gonna do this, just a block in here, okay, a box, and I'm gonna add, what is this, the heading it will be, okay. I'm gonna do that as center, and I'm gonna put a little bit of text. And I'm gonna do whatever the product's saying that it was there, all right? So say, discover our best seller. Man, that's fantastic. Discover the best seller. This is what we're going to do. Discover the best seller. What I did is hit heading. I went to the heading and edit the title, right? What I'm going to do is add a little bit of container width, in that case the minimum height here, and then go for maybe, let's say 420. That's too much, 20, okay, and a little bit of a space. So here in advance, what we're going to do is add padding of probably 40, and then at the bottom 40 as well, okay. And now going here, widgets, and I'm gonna select what widgets we want. In that case, it will be the products, okay. So if I go here, products, I'm gonna add the products. What products do we want? At the moment, we only have 3. We're gonna put more, all right? But those products, obviously, you need to add them into your WooCommerce account. I'm gonna put 3, okay? And it's gonna be 1 row. So for now, 1 row in here, and then we have it there. So maybe what we can do, instead to be this, is a little bit, we're gonna change the style. We're gonna make a line to the center, okay? And then we're gonna make these buttons as the button color that we said that it is, which is here and buttons. Let me show you buttons, and then we're going to background, and we're gonna put the deep green, and also text is gonna be cream, okay? Beautiful. So as you can see now, if we can change also this color, the price, so we're gonna make that maybe orange, which is okay, not bad. We can put that color in there, and that is fine, okay? So for now, we're just gonna go there. It's just testing, and then going to have this home page ready to go, okay? After that, we can review with the client, my friend, whatever it is, or even with you. If you're happy with that, you just sign off, and then it's fine. So you can, yes, just give it a go. So in here you go, and ChatGPT is the display between 4 and 6 of the most popular coffee products. At the moment we have 3, so I just put 3, and we have here a browser all the coffees that it will take you also to the shop. All right, so we put selection because we can do that straight away from here. It will take you to the product page, okay, which is the product page, and all the information it will be in another video. Right now I'm only doing the home page just to show you how ChatGPT, it will help you easily to create that that page. All right, so let's gonna go here and continue with the about us section. I'm gonna go through the about us section. And then here in the about us, we can probably split that again, flexbox. We're gonna pick this one, which is split in 2, and I'm gonna put on the left content, on the right a picture. All right, so okay, let's go in here. I'm gonna ask also my friend if he has any, you know, product pictures that we can put in there, or even if he's have any picture of him using that products or things like that. Okay, so for now I'm gonna put that one. What I did is just drag any image in there and I'll put it into that. I'm gonna do that and then put heading, and I'm gonna use a text editor. Probably add a CTA, which is a call to action, right, to add that into about learn more. All right, so learn more. Okay, learn more, and then here learn more, that will go probably to the about us page, which is already created that before. And then now we're going to ChatGPT again and say, okay, ChatGPT, what do you have in here for the about us section? Our passion for coffee. That's beautiful. I love that. So let's go in here, and then our passion for coffee, and then we're gonna add wherever it is say in here. Okay, so as you can see, again, it's missing the E. So I'm just going back to the website. I'm going to the text, and I'm gonna put here wherever is that information. We can probably add more as well. Okay, I think it was something missing as well here, the E. Okay, and then we have it. So now this is we can probably ask ChatGPT to write more about this content about us. Okay, but for now it's fine. If you want to align that to the center to make a little bit, you know, we can put it in there, and that's it. So is coming along with all this new the design in here. Obviously we need to change that. What I'm going to do, probably it will be delete that, because we don't want that now yet in there. We can also ask ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, can you create this subscription or the merchandise that we can add it in the home page, and then we can put it in there. So going to the next one, and again, this page is just follow my style criteria or things like that. You think you can also ask ChatGPT to put information. Hey, can you please explain me how to create or how to do that things? And what I mean that things is like the layout. Put that to the left, put that to the right. So at least to follow some. But I think so far we have a better looking into the home page. Okay. Now we're going here, subscription offer. Okay, so we have a subscription offer. I didn't know that, but we can have that, which is have customer testimonials. Cool. It's quite a lot in thing for a home page. It is fine, but sometimes in the home page it should be whatever it is for the website. Okay, obviously having this information across is also good. But look, I'm just gonna go in here and put that. Sorry, it's just going back here because I already have it there. So subscription, again, we can use the subscription, and then here what I'm going to do is put that what is the subscription model, say never run off as okay. That's okay. So what we can do in here, it will be more like an easy simple thing in there, a text and a CTA, which is there, and that follow the ChatGPT where it said never run out of coffee again. So let's do it. What I can do is change that a little bit, and then maybe going here, select edit, container, background type, It doesn't tell me, the ChatGPT don't tell you that, but you know, if you have any criteria of a style or whatever you want to put it, you can put it there. I'm going to change this color, change the button, and then instead to be deep green, I'm going to change that to a different color. In that probably I can use coffee bean. Okay, and then that it could be cream. And then this, it could be cream as well. So now it can be a little bit, you know, and then you can go here to center, okay, justify center. So let me do that and then join our subscription services, which is you can put it here, okay, and that's it. And what we have is subscribe now, so we can just go here and then subscribe now. As you can see, it's follow pretty much what ChatGPT is suggesting us to do. So you can also go here, and I'm gonna put that style. It's just, you know, the way that you can create it here. Overlay, I'm gonna go here, overlay, and then go to the background and probably put something, use any picture. So for instance, I'm just gonna use this picture in there. If you just need to go here, repeat, no, display, cover, right, and then maybe I think that one already used it, so let's gonna use that one in here, which is pretty, it fits better. And then cover, yeah, so let's gonna cover it, and then I want to display that position center. Okay, beautiful. As you can see, it's getting along. So now I need a little bit of a space here because there is no space. So I'm gonna go in advanced, 8, and then 80, and then another 80, and then we're going from there. Gonna go here and add the testimonials as well. Now I'm gonna skip that section, just go through testimonials. You can put here testimonials and then add them in here. All right, so you just need to add the title, and I'm gonna put here whatever this guy said in there. So customer testimonials, and then what's the heading? Okay, so that is the heading, and then keep going with that. Okay, you just need to put that, a little bit of padding as well. So we're gonna put maybe 80 and then another 80 here, and then make that center. And I'm gonna do so that it will be these testimonials, but I think another one here, if you go to these widgets, it is rating, or I think it's called testimonials, but it's actually that one, testimonials, carousel, review. Okay, I think the review, this is what we want. And then in here, what we can put is also maybe 3 of them. Okay, and we're gonna add how many, you know, how many stars. So we can put stars. You can just avoid the icon for whatever it is. Okay, instead to do it again, I'm just gonna redo in here. Okay, and we're gonna put that. We make it out. What is this customers reviews that we're gonna have in here? Obviously, you can tell ChatGPT to write these reviews for you, okay? But as you can see here now, at least you have more, you know, feeling in terms of customer engagement for you, for the website, okay? So you just need to go back here, blog. If we have any blog, that it will be good to have as well. Here, blog. I'm gonna show you how you can create this blog. So that blog, I would probably do something like, okay, that maybe fits more like you go here, blog, okay. We're gonna create the blog in, see, it's called post, no blog. In here, post, and we're gonna put this post in there, okay? As we don't have any right now, we can just avoid this section, but the way will be put blocks in there as I just did in here, and put all these post blocks in there, okay? And then what else do we have? It will be the newsletters, if we have a newsletter. But if you don't have a newsletter, you can just put a contact us or a small form. This is what I'm going to do, but it will be good just to probably put information in there. So it's just going here, and I'm gonna add a quick contact us section where you can put maybe instead to put just one, I'm just gonna put 2. Okay, and then it will be contact and contact form in order if they need any information from you. Okay, so you can just go here, put the icons in terms of icon list. You can put like, you know, a phone number or whatever you need, email if you want. You can put a phone here. Okay, insert. Let's gonna use also envelope, no email. You can put the email in here. You can put the phone number. Let me put the phone number in there. Phone number, and I'm gonna use also this envelope. I think it is envelope. Yep. And I'm also gonna use the address. If you have any address, that you can put the address in there, or anything that you wanna put in there. If not, just leave it like it is, and that's it. Okay. If you have any location, again, you can also add the map, which is I'm gonna do in here. You can put the Google Maps plugin, okay? And because this business is in London, so you can put the address and then it will be there. So it will be fine. So put that there, and that's it. So let's make it 180, and here it will be the form. So that it will be the contact us, okay? And then you have this section in here. If you want to give a little bit of padding, again, in advanced padding, we're going to add here 80 and 80. Okay. And then we just make it that fine. Probably it will be a way we can just make that green, or yeah, leave it like it is, like that. It's fine. Okay, so for now we just create the home page. Okay, as you can see here, the home page is fine. With that, it's a little bit better, so we just need to improve that section. In the next video, I'm going to explain how you can use ChatGPT in order to create the shop page and improve this user experience to have better results. Okay, so please let me know if you have any questions on the comments below. I hope you learn how to use the ChatGPT or artificial intelligence just to have the concept in order to help you to build a website. Okay, now I just need to do a few things in here to make that better, but as you can see, go follow this instruction that it is. But that it will be, as you can see, probably we take no longer to create a home page, and I'm gonna go so on. Okay, so please follow me. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.